Hi.
Why are you awkward? Where are you going?
Welcome to the internet. Doing some dares and truths and stuff. So, enough of me being awkward. First dare. Try to touch your left hand with my left elbow. Left. Okay. Just left. This is my left. Is this supposed to be possible? Because it's not. What am I doing it behind my back?
There you go. You got it.
I did it. Eat a spoon of mustard. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna think. French's classic yellow and a spoon.
Ew.
Can't even see it. Mustard and a spoon.
Do it. Do it. Now. Go.
There's the clean spoon.
Kinda gross.
Okay. Yeah, I can still taste it. Not enough water in the world. Okay, and the next dare is if you have any pets, lick their feet, and all my pets died, so I don't have any more, so. Question. What's my zodiac sign? My zodiac sign is an Aquarius. What's your favorite food? Sushi. And yeah, okay. Dare. Do the rain dance outside my house at midnight.
You a fool for this one. Shoot that thing up, mommy, make it roll. Once you pop, lock it for me, girl, get low. With block, drop it for me, make it roll. Oh! Lock and drop it. Lock and drop it. Lock and drop it. Tonight is gonna be some changes. No acting for Jesus, so stop acting and get it cracking, cause I'm knowing you're feeling. Yeah, you.
Dare. Dance to Gangnam Style.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Why are you outside?
Because.
Why are those things in your hair?
Why do you ask so many questions?
You're weird.
It's because his friend is over and he's trying to hurt. Okay.
I don't care!
Dance the Dougie.
Teach me.
Oh, it's simple.
They be like smooth.
Isn't it like.
Can you teach me how to duck it? You know why? Cause all the girls love me. Hey, all I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
Been doing
Teach me
it.
how to Dougie. I hear the sky scream like hey. I hear the sky scream like hey. I hear the sky scream like hey. I hear the sky scream like hey.
There's mosquitoes out here. 6'6" on your cheeks. It's really close to So meta.
It's a new look.
Use sour lemons in a sentence. Eating a spoonful of mustard with super sour lemons. There you go. What's your favorite bone? These ones. What's your least favorite bone? Either the funny bone or the tailbone, because those are the most pointless bones to have, pretty much. And if they get hit, they're so painful. Yeah, those are, least favorite. What's the most boring situation / place you've ever been in? Anywhere without Wi-Fi. What is something that you like that no one knows about? I like Britney Spears. Is that bad? I like Britney Spears.
Before or after she shaved her head?
Both.
Oh.
I like Britney Spears. Show feet. These are my feet. Here's the dare to rap or sing along with.
I'm the fucking man. Y'all get it, do you? Type of money, everybody acting like they know you. Go uptown, New York City, bitch. Some Spanish girls
Bitch.
Then a margarita by the leader. She know even if I'm fucking with her, I don't really need her. Ah, that's how you feel.
Ow.
Cause the pimpin' nice cold. All these bitches wanna chill. I mean, maybe she won't, and again, maybe she will. I can almost guarantee you know the deal, real nigga.
What's up?
Now she want a photo. You already know though. You only live once. That's the motto, nigga. YOLO, and we got it every day.
Every day, every day.
Sitting on the bench, nigga. We don't really play. Every day. Fuck what anybody say. Can't see him cause the money in the way. Real nigga. What's up?
I got a dare to sing Hakuna Matata in my underwear. No? I'll sing Hakuna Matata, but I'm not gonna do it in my underwear. Okay. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Instrumental.
Why?
When he was a young warthog.
I was a young warthog!
Very nice.
Thanks.
He found
And
his
his
aroma
aroma,
like a
certain appeal. You made it Miss Vanna after every meal.
Oh, I seem thick-skinned. That my friends were stuck downwind. Hey,
Ashamed.
Given me name.
Oh, his name.
It's retarded.
How do you feel?
Every time that I.
Hey, Poopa, not in front of the kids.
Oh, sorry.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries. To Simba. See your days. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Okay, I think we're good. That was awesome. Okay, this isn't my favorite song, but it's one that I can sing. Ads! I've got ads! I've been playing too much guitar, I've been listening to jazz. I called so many times, I swear she's going mad, and that cellular will be the death of us, I swear, I swear. And oh, 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 ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm running out just like I got her, but I surely don't. Because she's so, uh-oh, 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 rock and roll, not in my league. Is she out of my league? Let's hope not. Change in scenery! Welcome to my bedroom. It got really dark outside and there's mosquitoes attacking, so we decided to move this party to my bedroom. Okay, so do I have any more dares? I think. Oh, no. Nope, that's it for me. So, yep, that's all she wrote, I guess. So, thanks for all your dares and stuff. And I'll see you next time, I guess. Peace out, niggos. Hail Satan.
Kelly tweets, "Yo play wet banana cream pie makes my taste buds do a happy dance." Okay, get ready for more happy dancing, because now all our light flavors are 90 calories each. Yo Play, it is so good.